Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pizza roses. The ingredients that we're going to need today are your favorite pizza sauce, Italian seasoning, pizza crust, pepperoni, and mozzarella cheese. The first thing we're going to do is open our pizza crust. Now we're going to take a sharp knife and just make 6 long strips. Now to our pizza crust, we're going to add our pizza sauce. And all you want to do is take a brush and just spread it out. Now we're going to take our pepperoni and we're going to lay it on top of our sauce. Next, we're going to get our mozzarella cheese. You're just going to sprinkle it on top of our pepperoni. Now, you want to take the end and all you're going to do is roll. Once you have it rolled up, you want to put it into a muffin tin sprayed with some non-stick cooking spray. Once you have them in your muffin tin, all you want to do is sprinkle some Italian seasoning over top. Now we're going to put them in our oven, 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, after 20 minutes, our pizza roses are out of the oven. As you can see, they're nice and cheesy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.